Every shirt has its own story. I want to explore the stories that represent our history, our culture, and our future.
The idea was basically to create a jersey that we hadn't necessarily seen before, that obviously spoke sort of that sort of zeitgeist of Wales and what they sort of stand for. Spoke about the national identity, so the graphic sort of gives an impression or speaks that sort of dragon scale, so it's wearing that your dragon on your shirt.
Yeah.
So it's not just the crest, but obviously you're embodying the dragon.